Hey guys, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Trickster voice effect option not showing on your TikTok, right? So basically, you have to just go to into your TikTok mobile application here, and after that, you have to click on the profile icon which is on bottom right side corner, and after that, you have to click on the top right side corner where you can see the three horizontal lines. So just click on there, and after that you have to go to the setting and privacy, just scroll to the bottom, and here you will find option that is called report a problem, right? And it will take just a few seconds just to load, so kindly wait here. And here you can see here you will get this kind of information, and basically you have to scroll a little bit down, and here you have to click on submit a report which is in the bottom right. So just click on submit a report, and here it will redirect to your new box. It will be basically you have to report your problem. So this is important guys, and just hear me carefully. Here you have to write, my Trickster voice effect is not showing up on my TikTok account, please fix this because this effect is very important for my TikTok user experience. And after that you can just attach this screenshot because this is very important guys, and after that you have to click on the submit. So this is pretty easy, and you can just try different thing. You can just go to the Play Store and you can just update your TikTok, because maybe this could be the reason. If you're using old version of TikTok, maybe this could be. So this is it guys. If you found this video really useful and helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe channel, and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.